Yesterday we did a can of soda. Today we're going to do a roll of paper towels. To determine the volume of the roll of paper towels, the information that we will need is the height of the paper towels, which is 28 centimeters. We will need to know the diameter of the roll of paper towels, which is 13 centimeters. And we will need to know the diameter of the cardboard tube that goes down the middle of the roll of paper towels. And the diameter for the tube equals 4.5 centimeters. Back to our formula that we used yesterday. The volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. So the first thing that we're going to do is determine the volume of the paper towels and pretend that there was no hole in the middle. To do that, we're going to substitute the values that we have. We're going to put pi in place, or 3.14 in place of pi. And then for our case, we're looking at 13 centimeters as a diameter. We don't need a diameter, we need a radius. So we are going to have to cut that in half, which is going to give us 6.5. And then the height, which is 28 centimeters. Next, we're going to need to get the volume of the tube in the middle. It is also pi times the radius, but in this case, it's half of the diameter, which is going to give us 2.25 times 2.25 times 28. So the volume for the whole cylinder and the volume for just the tube down the middle. We're going to solve for the volume of the whole cylinder. We're going to solve for the volume of the tube down the middle. Then we're going to subtract the tube down the middle from the total, and that will give you the volume of just the paper towels. 3.14 times 6.5 times 6.5 times 28 equals 3714.6. 3.14 times 2.25 times 2.25 times 28 equals 445.1. So the volume of our paper towel roll altogether, the towel and the air in the middle, is 3714.6 cubic centimeters. The volume of just the roll in the middle is 445.1 cubic centimeters. So we're going to take 3714.6 and we're going to subtract 445.1. 3714.6 minus 445.1, and we are going to get 3,269.5 cubic centimeters as the volume of just paper towel. So when we're talking about a composite figure, we're talking about a figure that's made up of more than one thing. In this case of the paper towels, it's made up of air and paper towels. We do the volume of the entire thing, which is all of it. Then we do the volume of just the tube in the middle, and we subtract that from the whole, and that gives us the volume of just the towels.